Unlocking the directions, understanding Route Finder. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the term Route Finder. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about navigating, understanding this phrase is quite useful. So, let's dive in and find out all about route finders. A route finder refers to a tool or service that helps you determine the best path from one location to another. It could be an online app, a GPS device, or even a map. These tools consider factors like distance, traffic, and personal preferences to suggest the most efficient or scenic route. In our daily lives, route finders are essential for saving time and avoiding traffic jams. They are especially helpful when we're traveling to unfamiliar places. With a route finder, you can ensure that you arrive at your destination by the quickest or easiest route possible. Using a route finder is quite straightforward. 1. Enter your starting point. 2. Enter your destination. 3. Choose any specific preferences, like avoiding tolls. 4. The route finder will calculate and present the best routes. When selecting a route finder, consider accuracy. How up-to-date is the information? Features. Does it offer real-time traffic updates? User-friendliness. Is the interface easy to navigate? I hope this video clarifies what a route finder is and how it can be an asset in your travels and daily commutes. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.